TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. We will use it like access point for our power line. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. To make Wi-Fi internet in our studio apartment for guests.
Yep.
Yeah. Look. Easy setup and management, access control that it can restrict your child for use it like access point. It's good actually, yeah? No?
No.
Multi-language support, LED control, power scheduling. Oh,
Or scheduling.
scheduling. Automatically power on or off at the time you set to save power and prolong lifetime. Cool. It can be automatically turned on. Access point mode. We need access point mode for this device. Let's unbox it.
Yeah. I want to take it. Oh. Wow.
It's for me. And this one for me.
Look at it.
It's a warranty. It's cable. No.
Oh.
We need an adapter for a British type power supply. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Cool. Wireless power Ethernet. We need to put here our Ethernet. And reset button here.
Yeah.
It's power button. Okay, I don't know what is it. Button for something.
Lock button.
Lock button. No, it's maybe VPS button to adjust it.
Oh.
Let's get some manual. Look. We need to put it like this and turn it on. Then use Ethernet app. Choose my devices, login, solid on. No, we don't like this type, this idea, this teaser app. We will try to set up it via connected to our laptop. Yeah?
Yep.
Method 2 via web browser. We try to use it. Let's try to turn it on.
Yeah.
Okay, I connect extender to the electric outlet and connect extender to my computer. Now we need to install new password for it. Okay. Don't save. As here we can find our internet here, but we would like to use it like access point. Change it. Access point mode. Okay. Yes. Rebooting. Like access mode, okay. Wireless. Continuous. Yes. Okay. Enable. Save. This setting. Oh. We will use Google DNS. It will be better. Something like this. Cool. Save. Cool. I think everything okay. +2. Save. Okay. After we settle all these settings for this device and adjust our settings, we need to connect it and to check how it works. Connect it here as access point connected to our power line, like this. Connect it here and turn it on. And we'll check when it reboot. Yeah, we have one, and we will connect to it. Connect it. Yeah, it's working. We can give here only 6 megabits from our internet of 10 megabits to this guest apartment. It's limited from above, but we can run speed test and you will see that all 6 megabits per second we for download we can give. It's even more than we limited. There is not very good internet connection here on the island. Not is very cheap, but you see the Wi-Fi is stable and it's working good. Your internet speed is fine with this new type of router.